after the indoor performances yesterday all around Catalonia, we have today on this beautiful Sunday been able to return outside in the squares where this cultural expression, Catalan Human Towers, truly belong. Here we are in what the people of Vilafranca probably call number one Human Tower Square of Catalonia, la Plaza Més Castellera, watching Minions de l'Alcós building a 5x7 on Cinc de Set. We have dances in place and we have the Achegadora in place of the first part. Looks nice and stable so far. Quite senior, quite experienced doctors, as we can see, who are doing a great job in instructing the smaller children. We have the first part has been crowned and we will now crown the second part. That happens here, and we have Cinc de Set crowned by Minions de l'Alcós. Very well done. Very stable, in fact. I don't think they will have any problems to dismantle this in a perfect way. And the reason why this square is called La Plaza Més Castellera is this is where the traditional human towers survived during the many decades. I believe this was in the it was in the 19th century when the two main teams from Vice weren't allowed to perform in their own town since they always started to fight, and that is when the people of Vilafranca maintained the culture to invite the teams to perform here. So Vilafranca at that time didn't have an own team but was highly responsible for maintaining this Catalan cultural expression. We are in Vilafranca, Catalonia 2012.